Okay, so let's go ahead and go over what we just covered in the PowerPoint, but let's do it live so that way you can actually see it happening. So when you log into your student account, it will look similar to this. You might not have this exact picture, but you will have something here. And in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see your name, a tools icon, your email, and then over here on the left, you'll see my schedule, classes, and announcements. So the first thing that we're going to cover is that My Schedule tab. So if you click on that, here you will be able to see a couple different things. First of all, the events. So these are your live sessions that are scheduled for that specific day. Live sessions meaning Class Connects. This is where your teacher will present the lesson to you. They'll go over the content that is being taught that day or that week. So these are required, and you do need to make sure that you go to these when they are scheduled. They are, of course, always recorded, but you do need to make sure that you try to go to them live. You can view the day view, or you can look at a weekly view just to kind of see what's coming down, what the week is looking like as far as Class Connects go. And then over here, you can see assignments that are scheduled for you for that specific day. You can move ahead or go back just to kind of see where you stand as far as assignments go. Also, as far as recordings go for your Class Connect, I did want to mention that when the session is over, that same link that you clicked on here will then be a recording. So you can go right here to get those recordings as well. Teachers typically post them in their courses too, but they're, just so you know, there's a couple different places that you can go to find those recordings. So that schedule tab is very, very important to check every single day. Okay, we're going to keep on moving. You guys are doing great.